Is a car unlock icon flashing on your dashboard, preventing your engine from starting? This indicates your vehicle's anti-theft immobilizer system has been triggered. While designed to stop theft, this system can sometimes activate erroneously, leaving you stranded. If you're facing this issue, follow these troubleshooting steps to reset the system and get back on the road. Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we uncover hidden car problems, simple maintenance tricks, and money-saving tips every driver should know. Troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Check your key fob. A dead or damaged battery in your key fob is a common culprit. If you have a spare key or fob, try using it. If the car starts with the spare, you simply need to replace the battery or repair your primary fob. Step 2. Inspect the physical key. If you use a traditional key, check the blade for nicks, dents, or wear. Damage to the teeth can prevent the ignition cylinder from reading the key's security chip. If the key is damaged, you will need to have a new one cut and programmed by a dealership or a locksmith. Step 3. Cycle the door locks. Sometimes the system just needs a manual reset. Try locking and unlocking your driver's side door with your key several times. This action can occasionally signal the security system to disengage. Step 4. Perform a 10-minute relearn reset. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Leave it in this position for approximately 10 minutes. This allows the security system to relearn the key signal and reset the immobilizer. Step 5. Inspect the car battery. A weak or low voltage car battery can cause the security module to malfunction. Try disconnecting the battery terminals for 10 minutes to perform a hard reset, then reconnect them. Note, this will reset your clock and radio presets. If the issue persists, use a multimeter to check if your battery is failing and needs replacement. Step 6. Check the immobilizer fuse. If the security system isn't receiving power, the light may stay on. Consult your owner's manual to locate the fuse box diagram. Identify the fuse for the immobilizer or security system and check if it is blown. If you replace it, ensure the new fuse matches the exact amperage of the original. Step 7. Seek professional help. None of the DIY methods above work. You may be dealing with a more complex issue, such as a faulty immobilizer control module or a deeper electrical fault. At this stage, it is best to consult a certified mechanic or auto electrician for a diagnostic scan. That wraps up today's guide here on Auto Care Secret. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Fix, and turn on notifications so you never miss another car-saving tip. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, take care of your ride, and we'll see you in the next video right here on Car Care Fix.